Alright guys, check this out right here. We're getting ready to replace the motor mount. So the engine is rocking back and forth. So we have to we figure out what's the problem, but we're gonna test it out again. Make sure it is the motor mount. Check it out, guys. Alright guys, we're replacing this one for the lower motor mount, transmission mount on the lower one. This is the upper transmission mount, goes right here. And this one is the engine mount on the back, near the firewall. So there's all three of them we're gonna replace today, guys. Check it out. Alright, we'll check the motor mount, make sure it's bad or not. Yep, it's bad, guys. He was running on this one right here. Yep. And also hear some squeaky noise because he was rubbing right there with this, so it's going back and forth. So we're about to remove. So we're getting ready to do it. So the first thing we have to do, we gotta disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery first, and then gotta remove this one right there, and remove that. Yep, check it out, guys. Alright, we're gonna remove this first. To remove that, and also we're gonna remove this one too. Yep. Alright, we got that removed. That one, then this bracket. So we're gonna put this on the side, and we're gonna pull this battery out. Gonna remove this one here. So we're gonna replace that one right there. That one's bad. See that? That one's bad. And also the back motor mount is bad also, and the bottom motor mount. Yep, so we're gonna try and remove this also so we get more space to get the bottom. Yep, check it out, guys. So we're gonna remove this one, and this bottom one, and the other one. Yep. Alright, we got one down right there, and that one, and also the bottom, and also there's another one back there. To be able to get that, you have to get it from here, from the bottom. Get it from this side right here. Get it from here. Yep. It's always good to have a gear wrench and swivel, so it'll be easier for you to get to this bolt. Yep. All right, we got this out. Oh, you gotta pull that little tab, little stab right there. You use a flathead, long nose or flathead, anywhere you want to push it. Yep, that's what I use. All right, guys, we got it out. Got this one right here. Put it on the side. Now we got more space to replace this motor mount, and also we have to remove the back one right there. So we're gonna take this off right here. Take that one up, and then boom, I'm gonna remove this one right here, guys. Yep. Alright guys, we're gonna replace this one. This one goes like this. Yep. This one right there. 1, 2, 3. Goes right here. 17mm. Yeah, I'll back on this. That one now. Boop. Look at this. Yep. Alright guys, you gotta use some small 1/4 inch short socket to remove this, because if not, you're gonna struggle to get it off. Yep. So, yep, that's what I use. Go to the back of this right here. This more shorter. Yep. So I get it up in the back. Yep, check it out. We're gonna remove it. But, broken. got it up, guys. That's how you do it, man. Like this. Just like that, man. Alright, we're gonna replace this one. Goes in the back. So we're replacing the back rear motor mount. And this one right here is the vacuum, is a hydraulic vacuum. So we're replacing this one right here, and make sure we gotta remove this one right here, remove this so we can get more space to go to the back. Yep, that's how we're gonna do it, guys. Check it out. Alright, we gotta remove this first. Slide this up out of the way so we have more space. And this one, move this out of the way. And then we gotta remove this bolt and the other bolt and get the whole thing up. Yep, that's how it goes, guys. So now we got more space. So we have to remove this expansion valve. Yep, cooling expansion valve, so we have more space. We gotta remove this bracket. We gotta move this out of the way so we have more space, and move this harness out of the way so we got more space. Check it out, guys. Yep. First thing, we're gonna try to remove this one here. So we gotta get this bracket, everything out. Alright, guys, we have to take out this motor mount bracket. It holds by two 17mm bolts. This one right here. Yep. Gotta remove that. We gotta remove this one right here, guys. Only take 17mm bolt on both sides. Now we're gonna remove this bolt right there. 17mm bolt. That one right there. Yep, it's 17mm bolt and a 14 all around. I believe it's 14. Yeah, the 14 holding that bracket. Yep, check it out, guys. Alright, guys, we get the rest of the bolt out. Yep, look. See, we got that bolt, one right there, one from the top one to the right top, one to the right bottom. So we gotta take out now that main bolt right there. So we're gonna try to, I didn't remove this expansion valve because it looked like it's leaking already. So, and we couldn't get the part, so I'm gonna remove this one right here, guys. Hopefully this one will come out nice and easy. Yep, let's check it out, guys. Let's get the bolt right there, look. See? So that's the one that goes to the upper top one. So he's gonna take that one right there, and it should come right out nice and easy. So it looks like we're gonna try and get it. So hopefully it come break up nice and easy. Check it out, guys. Alright, man, we got it up, guys. We got it up. We're gonna get all the rest of the bolt out. So he's gonna crank it up and remove it. Yep. Check it out, guys. Alright, we're gonna remove this cover right here, guys. Check it out. This one gotta come out. Now we got more space. Yep, we have more space now. So we gotta remove the vacuum hose right there, guys. We gotta remove the vacuum hose. Check it out. Alright, we gotta put a dead man on that. Remove this motor mount right there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're gonna put the bracket on it. Yep. Alright, check it out, guys. So this one goes right there. Let's look at this. Alright, we got it up. So we get the other one up too. So you gotta get the back here. Alright, man, we got it off. Yep. Alright guys, to be able to remove this motor mount, you have to raise the engine up. You gotta put it up so you got enough clearance to pull that out. So to be able to do that, make sure the right motor mount is loose, and this one too on the left side is loose. So what is this one right here? Make sure you remove this bolt right here. Yep. Make sure the motor mount in the back is loose also. Now we can jack the engine up. Alright. Jack it up. Yep. Alright guys, check it out. We got it replaced. That was broken. That was stolen also. That was missing. Yeah. That's cool. No vibration. Nice and tight.